A very warm good afternoon to students of BBA Semester 4 of Marwari College Ranchi by Sumit Kumar, Assistant Professor, Marwari College Ranchi. Dear students, as you know, we are going through a time where colleges and other organizations have been shut down and uh, our classes are getting hampered. But as per the decision by college administration and university administration, uh, we are directed to provide support to students through uh, online videos related to their subjects, as well as providing assignments and notes through social media network like WhatsApp, Facebook, and other modes. Dear students, we have already completed the part of our syllabus, that is unit 1, uh, and unit 1 of MIS subject. MIS, those who have not attended my class, the full form of MIS is Management Information System. We have already completed the first chapter or first unit of this paper. Today we are about to have brief discussion about the second unit, and the name of the unit is MIS Concept, Nature and Scope, and Elements. Starting with the definition of MIS, Management Information System, it is a man-machine integrated system uh, which collects, correlates, analyzes, and provides information in a particular time frame at different levels of management. It is a combination of men, machine, procedures, programs, and various kinds of subsystems. The main objective of development of such systems is to provide information at different levels of management in the organization, which facilitates manager in decision making. The system gathers information externally and internally from the organization, processes it, and provides at different levels of organization. Uh, as the nature of business is different for different organizations, used by the system used by various organizations also differ. Some of the examples of MIS system used in organizations are like library information system, accounting information system, human resource information system, uh, decision support system, and likewise there are a number of other systems which are now the part of organization which which are used in information management. In the next part we will deal with the MIS activities, which means what are the various activities which are performed by MIS, and that is Management Information System. The first and foremost activity of MIS is data capturing. Data is a raw form. Data in raw form is collected externally and internally, which means the source of data lies outside the organization as well as from within organization. The next activity is processing of data. As per the requirement of management levels, data is processed, which means It is processed through calculation, uh, comparison, sorting, and summarizing, after which these data are uh, analyzed and manipulated using different statistical, mathematical, and business model tools. The next activity of MIS is storage of data. Once the data is processed and it's converted into information, and whether it's processed or unprocessed, data is stored in the memory of system. Uh, Data which are not immediately required by the management is saved as a saved for future, and data which are immediately required by the management are saved in the form of uh, field record databases, which is when required by managers and decision makers are retrieved when they are required. The next activity of MIS is dissemination of information. Now, as we came to know that the end result of MIS is information. Information is disseminated at different levels of organization, and it is disseminated by managers, which can be periodic, in the form of reports, or on daily basis available on computer terminals in the organization. In the next section, we are going to deal with the components of MIS. The first component of MIS is people. People can be the users of MIS as well as the system specialist, which the system specialist who maintain the MIS system. The second component is softwares and hardwares, which are the part of MIS. The hardwares can be various kinds of computers, uh, servers, and other peripherals which are connected directly to the system. The softwares can be like enterprise resource planning system, batch processing system software, DSS software, SPSS software, etc. The third component of MIS is database. It is a repository of all kinds of data which have been collected either from outside the organization or from inside the organization. The fourth component of MIS is model base. These models can be mathematical models, arithmetical models, statistical models, uh, various kinds of operation research models, forecasting models, which are used for analyzing and interpreting results from the data. The fifth component of MIS is network. Network includes communication processors like modems and inter-network processors. These communication control softwares help in maintaining the smooth flow of information at different levels of management. The next component of MIS is processes. These processes include business processes, business model, business plan, because after all, the development of MIS and its implementation is for